this is Maritza Ortega, and we are at 16800 Falcon Sound in Montgomery. We are very excited because we are destaging this house today. It has been sold. But what I want to share with you about this house is that before we staged it, it had been on the market more than 300 days without any selling success. The homeowner changed realtors, we staged it, and they received a full price offer within 7 days. The homeowner was so excited that gave us a wonderful review. So I would like you to come and see around what we did. We have the living room right here. The guys just arrived with the truck so they can take the furniture, so that's why I want to show you. This is the dining room. Look at the beautiful wood floors. A little wet bar right here, and the kitchen. Very spacious. I love the kitchen island. The purpose of staging is to bring attention to the features of the home. In this case, the counter space, the breakfast area, the breakfast bar, the fireplace, and the floor plan. Now, one of the things that we do when we stage is we take in consideration the features of the home, the colors, and the personality or style of the home. In this case, we had those window treatments that are of a specific color. In order for us to complement them and make them look good, make them look like they all belong together, we chose this warm color palette. Let me take you to the master bedroom with fireplace. And the bedroom. One of the things that the homeowner commented is that he never realized how much light was being blocked with the curtains that he previously had. So we simply removed the curtains to let more light come in. Right now, because of the sun, it's not looking so lighted in here. It's a little dark, but it made a huge difference from when the house was previously listed. And then the bathroom with vanity. It's all about the little details and highlighting the unique features of the home. Now we go back to the main common areas, and I want to thank you all for joining me on this walkthrough. We're very excited because, as you can see, staging works. It got this house sold. Thanks for watching.